In this video, I will show you how to use the SUMIFS formula in Excel with practice examples. SUMIFS is used to add numbers based on multiple conditions. Here we have sales data with product, region and amount. The syntax of the formula can be seen on the screen. In the present case, the sum range is the amount column because that is what we want to add. The criteria ranges are the product and the region columns where Excel checks the condition. In first example, we calculate total sales where product is pen and region is west. The sum range is the amount column because that is what we want to add. The first criteria range 1 is the product column with the condition pen. The second criteria range 2 is the region column with the condition west. Excel checks both the condition and adds only the amount where product is pen and region is west. So Excel adds 1000 and 800, so the result is 1800. In second example, we calculate total sale where region is east. Excel adds 2000 and 1500, so the result becomes 3500. In the third example, we calculate total sale where product is pen. Excel adds 1000, 1500 and 800, so the result becomes 3300. So remember, SUMIFS adds value based on multiple conditions and is more powerful than SUMIF. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and comment which Excel formula you want next.